Okay, so this is our English episode 349, male and female vibration. So this segment is all about love, relationship, and marriage. So for those who want to book for a full private reading in English, please leave a message or drop a comment. Or if you know somebody who wants to have or to avail reading, okay, let me know. So the black deck represents the male vibration. The pink one represents the female vibration. So what I'm going to do right now is to pick one of each deck, and we will discuss what are the possible solutions and what are the things happening between the two of you. Okay, so here we go. For the male vibration, that's the camera. For female vibration, talking. Okay, so on this side, the man is trying to flash back everything. Okay, so the old memories that you have been sharing from the past, that he has been reviewing or reminiscing, while the female is very busy on some other things that she's interested, probably conversing to another person, or she has a different man aside from this one. So it might be, here's one of the big cats right here. Halloween is fast approaching. So probably Halloween is one of the main reason why this female right here is very busy, texting, emailing, making calls, chats, or everything, because she has a plan to date somebody else aside from this man. Or probably this man right here and this female is on a separation situation or status, or probably LDR. So if you are on these situations, you have to be fully aware of what is going on between the two of you, because you might be surprised that in the end, or right after Halloween, you don't have the girlfriend of yours already, and it was taken by another guy. So since this is a general reading, if you have some doubts with your partner that he or she might have a different person behind your back, then all you have to do is to book for a full private reading and some ritual to remove that person from your relationship. That's the best thing we can do. Remove that third party person so that you can save your relationship and put some protection between the two of you. Okay? And I just want to let you know that this is my only account. So if there is somebody else using my videos and other stuff right here, so probably that is